Welcome guys to another tutorial from Classic Games United. And today's tutorial we're gonna be doing Age of Empires 2 HD, and I did this tutorial in the background since in 2022. This was a normal game, and 2 years after I'm gonna do another tutorial on the same game, just that this one is the HD version, and I'm gonna do tutorial on this guy. And if you all want to buy my merchandise, feel free. Classic Games United, understand? So feel free to support guys and buy my merchandise, and let's get on with today's tutorial. Right, so let's watch and follow my steps and all will be well. Alright, Classic Games United, CGU, signing out. Peace. Alright guys, this is the tutorial here. First thing first, you want to get a copy of the game, right? If you all want a copy of the game, then join my Discord server, right? So let's go to here. Of course you'll have to extract it, and it will just be extracting the RAR file, right? RAR, extract this file. So right click, go to WinRAR and click extract here. Alright, and then the file, the folder will be extracted, right? This is the folder here, and it will be extracted, right? So once you reach 100%, it will be done. So once it's done guys, I'll be back, right? So stay tuned. Alright guys, the folder has been extracted. Now you want to click on the folder, right? Click on the folder, then you will need a virtual clone drive to bound this, right? So you just go to internet, type in virtual clone drive and download it, right? And install it. This is the virtual clone drive here. Go to settings, alright, and then set your number of drives, set it to 1. Press OK. Alright, so just download virtual clone drive and install, and then you will right click, then mount virtual clone drive E. Alright, you have to mount it, and then you will just install it, right? Click on the setup exe. Alright, so let's just install the game. Create a desktop icon, create a start menu icon. Alright, let's hit install. I don't think it will take that long guys, we could wait a bit, or if it takes a little bit long, we'll just speed up this process, or just let it install, right? So this is the HD version of the game. This is the HD version, right? The first tutorial I did on this game was not the HD version, that was just the regular classic version, right? This is the HD version with higher resolutions and stuff, higher graphics and stuff, right? So they're gonna show you how to use Smart Steam with this game, right? If you want to play it online with Smart Steam, then I'm gonna show you how to do that, right? I believe it's finished here. click finish, right? Now do not copy the crack. Do not copy the crack. And I mean, guys, sorry about that. Do not copy this. Copy the exe and copy the Steam API.ini. Alright? So let's follow my steps, guys. Alright? Open the file. No, that's not. Delete this one here. Alright, guys, open the file, right? Open here. Open file location. Open file location, go to crack. Copy this, drag this here. Place, right? Now follow my steps carefully, guys. Go back to crack. Copy the Steam API.ini. Alright. Now we want to use Smart Steam in this game, right? So I'm gonna show you what to do, right? I'll be back. Alright, guys, you're gonna use Smart Steam with this, right? So click on here. So I have Smart Steam saved here. Click on this. You go to this one here, zip one. Okay. Open file location, and then you will have to copy this here. You'll be using Smart Steam MU to play online, right? Or to set it up with Smart Steam MU, just copy this here. And then you run the SSE launcher as administrator. This is very important. Run as administrator. Alright, open it. Go to file, go to add game. Then you choose the Age of Empire HD EXE. Choose that. Open, right? So you see the Steam API file is the original because we did not replace it with the crack one. Then we will need the app ID, and the app ID is this, right? This is the app ID here. So copy this. And you're going to put the app ID right here. Alright. DLC, leave this subscribe. Then here, go to personal name. And then put your name. I'll put my name, Classic Games United. Then false, right? True, true. False, false, false. Right? Set here to English. Whatever language you speak. Set this to true. Alright, guys, make sure all of this is correct. Just watch and follow, guys. Make sure everything is set as the way as I set it, right? Make sure it's set to how I set it here. Go to networking, don't trouble anything here. Go to extras, click true, true. And then all you have to do is just click save. Right, then you ain't finished as yet. Go to file, go to settings, put your same name, Classic Games United, right? And then I'll put F11 and then true, right? And then you'll just click save, and then you'll create a shortcut on the desktop. Right click, create a shortcut, desktop, it will appear here. Alright, So what you want to do is just go here, copy this, and you delete the old exe. You don't need it again. Go here now, rename. Right. Then one last thing we need to do, guys, open up the game, file location, right, open any folder, go to downloads, open up this, and then copy this, right, copy these things, copy this and this, open the game folder is, and then you will drag these things inside of here. Alright guys, almost done. And that's it, guys. Now we'll be back in the game, and then you should be able to see your name in the game and stuff, right? So stay tuned and we'll be back. Yeah guys, I figured, right, once you're starting the game, right, remember, create a shortcut and you'll start the game through the SSS launcher, right? So once you're starting the game now, if you want to really know if it's working, then this will come up, right? Once this come up, you have to close off Steam. So you'll just go here and you'll close off Steam, right? Shut down Steam, click no, and then you'll start the game again. It will start up, right? So let's get into the game, alright? Alright guys, we're in the game, and as you can see, it's working, right? So multiplayer match, search, and there you see, this is your name that you put in the SSS launcher. This is your name here, Classic Games United Lobby, right? And you could invite friends and stuff, invite friends to play, and I believe they should be able to join your game, right? So it's pretty simple, guys. Understand? It's working as you see it's working. Understand? Create a match with friends, private. You could use VPN if you want. So yeah, this is how you'll get to play Age of Empires 2 HD using Smart Steam, right? It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Again, click here, invite a friend. Oh, maybe I don't really love it. Browser is working, or you could search in the lobby browser or whatever. Alright, but you'll be able to play online. You could either search a quick match. I believe you just you could search a quick match. Map once all Vikings. So once you search quick match now, everybody should be able to join the lobby and you'll be able to play with your friends and stuff. So this is it for the tutorial, guys. I hope that you'll enjoy. Alright, I will just jump into a single player match, show you that it's working. You see, guys, the HD version.
Oil.
It's working.
Certes. Oil. 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 Certes. Verax. Livet.
Alright guys, as you can see, it's working right. So yeah, to see you on the next video to come, guys, right? So take care, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video to come, right? Alright guys, once the game is installed, you'll want to unmount the drive, right? Because you don't need this again. So you just go to here. I forget to show you all this part. Go to virtual clone drive and click it. Go to here, go to unmount and to unmount. Alright, see it unmount, then clear history. Then go to here, you don't need this again, and delete this folder. Alright, so that's all you have to do, and then you can play the game with friends, right? So take care guys, in the next tutorial to come. Bye.